Alright, here I have a private crossing over here in Dwale, Kentucky. So, the first signal over here, this crossing first signal has been completely into action. So the first signal has a safe train base. Here you have a safe train gate mechanism. Here you have a CSX emergency information. The dot number is 227196C. And the lights are a safe train Talbot 24-inch lights. Replace the incandescent LED is Leotech EV series LEDs in them. And we have Rico LED gate lights. And finally the bell is NEG E-Bell from Amtrak and CSX line. And over here we have a second signal. Here is the relay case. It's right over here. So here I have a second signal here. It has another safe train base on it. We have another safe train gate mechanism as well. We have another CSX emergency information. And the lights on it are safe train Talbot 24-inch incandescent lights, as you can see right there. And I have another Rico LED gate lights. Oh, it's right here is called Depot Street. Gotcha. It's Depot Street. And down there, this leads to the main street down there. As you can see, there's a back view of the crossing. It's not abandoned as it looks. So yeah, let me get back view of the crossing here. No, that's not gonna work. Gotta be careful. Okay, there we go. That's a better view. So here I have Depot Street Railroad Crossing in Dwale, Kentucky. Over and out.